Hello mga langga! Hi! I missed you all so much. I hope you missed me too, Char. Thank you so much for being supportive of this video lessons that I made. I am very much happy to be back again. And welcome to our second quarter. So congratulations na iraos natin ang first quarter. So kamusta kayo? Kamusta ang summative exams nyo? Madali lang ba? Well, anyways, let's hope for the best, and I am very much ready to give you another video lesson for this quarter. It's me, your teacher Thea. So now, let us start our video lesson for today. This is our video lesson for the second quarter, Module 6, with the topic Simple and Compound Interest. Learning reminders. Prepare your pen and paper and calculator to practice on solving. Take your time, pause if needed, and resume whenever you're ready. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, it means you are trying. And don't be too hard on yourself because learning is a gradual process. These are the learning objectives for this video lesson. At the end of this video, we will be able to compute simple interest and solve problems involving simple interest. The concept of interest. A person invests a certain amount at a bank who offers interest. Over a period of time, the amount of money increases. Meaning, ang isang tao raw ay mag-i-invest o magsisave ng money sa isang bank at yung perang yon ay tutubo over a period of time. On the other hand, another person applied for a loan in a certain cooperative. Over a period of time, the amount of payable money is increased due to the interest. Minsan, kapag nangungutang tayo, merong pinapatong. Kaya, over a period of time, lalaki at lalaki ang ating babayaran na pera. The additional amount of money that is gained or charged is called the interest. Ang tubo sa pera ay tinatawag na interest. Unlocking terms. These are the important terms for this lesson. The principal or the present value P. The amount of money borrowed or invested on the origin date. Ito ang amount or ito yung pera na hiniram mo o iyong ininvest sa origin date. Time or term T. The amount of time in years the money is borrowed or invested, or the length of time between the origin and maturity dates. Rate of interest R. It is an annual rate, usually in percent or rate of increase of the investment or loan. Ito po yung porsyento ng tubo ng pera na iyong hiniram o iyong ininvest. Interest, denoted by I, is the amount paid or earned for the use of money. Ito yung tubo, interest. Maturity value or future value. It is the amount after T years and equal to the sum of principal and the interest earned or charged. Ito yung amount ng pera na mababayaran mo after malapat yung interest, or ito po yung amount ng pera na matatanggap mo from your invested money to a bank who offers interest. Simple interest. So for this video, I will only discuss simple interest, and for another video, we will discuss the compound interest. Simple interest is denoted by I sub S. It is the interest charged on the principal amount alone for the entire duration or period T of the loan or investment at a particular rate R. So, simple interest ay pagbibigay ng patong sa original amount na ininvest or inutang mo, o tinatawag nating principal amount. After the term of the loan or investment, the maturity value or the future value F is computed by getting the sum of the principal and the interest due. So, ito namang si maturity value at si future value, nakukuha natin siya kapag in-add natin ang ating principal amount and ang ating tubo. Itong si maturity value, ito ang ating babayaran. This came from the principal and the interest or yung tubo. Ito namang si future value, ito na po yung amount ng money na ating na-save from the principal or yung ininvest natin plus yung interest or yung tubo. The amount of interest is computed with the formula I sub S equals P RT, and the future maturity value is computed using the formula F equals P plus I sub S, or F equals P quantity 1 plus RT, where I sub S is equal to simple interest, P is equal to principal, R is the rate of interest or simply the rate, T is the time in years. Tatandaan natin yan ha, in years. And F is the future value or the maturity value. First example, find the simple interest on a loan of 50,000 if the loan is given at a rate of 3% and is due in 4 years. Hahanapin daw po natin ang tubo or simple interest kapag nag-loan po tayo ng 50,000 pesos at may interest rate po siya na 3% na kailangang bayaran sa 4 na taon. Naiintindihan po ba? Okay, let's answer the question. First step, what is asked? Ano bang hinahanap? Ang hinahanap dito ay ang simple interest. Next, what are the given? Ano yung figures na nakikita natin sa ating problem? Ilista natin sila. Our P or the principal amount is our 50,000 pesos. Ito po yung loan natin. R is the rate, interest rate, 3% or atin siyang kinonvert into decimal para mas madali, 0.03. And T, binigay dito ay 4 years, 4 na taon. Ano solution na ating gagawin? Of course, if follow natin yung formula na I sub S equals PRT since ang simple interest ang ating hinahanap. Gets nyo ba? Okay, let's proceed to the next step. Let us perform the operation. I sub S equals PRT. Anong unang gagawin? I-substitute lang po natin from our given to our solution. I sub S equals the P or our 50,000 pesos times the R or the 0.03 times T equals 4. And of course, use your calculator para mas madali po nating masagot. Here is our answer. I sub S or the simple interest is equal to 6,000 pesos. Ibig sabihin, ito po yung tubo ng pera na ating babayaran sa 4 na taon nating utang. Ayan po. So, meron pong tubo na 6,000 pesos sa ating loan na 50,000. So, ayan na po. At least ngayon, alam na po natin kung paano mag-compute ng simple interest. Example number 2. How much money will you have after 4 years and 6 months if you deposited 25,000 in a bank that pays 6% simple interest? Magkano daw po ang pera nyo after 4 years and 6 months na pag-i-invest sa isang bangko? Ang ininvest nyo ay 25,000 pesos at meron silang simple interest na 6%. So I'm sure tutubo yung pera nyo, di ba? Okay, here is our solution. What is asked? Ano ang ating hinahanap? So ang hinahanap natin dito ay ang future value. Kung ilan po yung pera after 4 years and 6 months, di ba? Next, what are the given? Ito po yung given figures natin. The P is our principal amount. Yung ininvest natin na 25,000. Ang R is ang ating interest rate na 6% or 0.06. At ang T ay ang ating time, which is 4 years and 6 months or ating kinonvert into decimal, 4.5 years. So, ano ang ating formula na gagamitin? Let us use the formula in finding the future value or the maturity value. We have F equals P times 1 plus RT. Perform operation. We have F equals P times 1 plus RT. Of course, let us substitute the given values to our formula. We have F equals 25,000. Quantity 1 plus our R is 0.06 times 4.5. Of course, we should use calculator para mas madali po yung process ng pagsagot natin. F equals 25,000 times 1.27. Ngayon, meron na tayong future value na 31,750 pesos. Ayan. So, yan daw yung pera natin after 4 years and 6 months kapag nag-deposit po tayo ng 25,000 pesos sa isang bangko na merong 6% simple interest. So, tumubo yung pera natin, di ba? Okay, I want you to try this. Darren loaned 20,000 and paid 1,200 interest for 2 years. What was the rate of interest? So, medyo mahirap to. Ang hinahanap sa ating problem ay ang rate of interest. Now, it is your time to pause this video, get your pen and paper, and answer this problem. And if you are done, replay the video. Ayan na, I hope you're done. Let us check your answer. Darren loaned 20,000 pesos and paid 1,200 interest for 2 years. What was the rate of interest? First step, what is asked? Ano yung hinahanap natin? Of course, nandito na sa ating tanong, ang rate of interest are. What are the given? Ilista natin kung ano po yung given. We have the principal amount, 20,000. Ito po yung niloan ni Darren. T is the 2 years or yung ating term. And I sub S ay ang ating interest, which is 1,200. Ngayon, ano kayang solution natin? Okay, gamitin natin ang ating basic mathematics skills. Kailangan po nating i-manipulate yung formula ng simple interest para mahanap natin yung another formula for rate of interest. So, ito na. We have R equals I sub S over P times T. Or ito yung gagamitin natin para mahanap natin ang rate of interest natin. Perform operation. R equals I sub S over P times T equals 1,200 over 20,000 times 2. Nag-substitute lang po tayo ng values ha. Huwag po tayong malito. Next one, R equals 1,200 over 40,000. Again, use your calculator para hindi tayo mahirapan. The final answer is, our rate is 0.03 or 3%. Yehey! Nakuha na natin yung sagot. If tama ka, congratulations. And if not, you can repeat this video, play this video again, and try on solving it. Napakadali lang, di ba? Great job! Things to remember. Analyze the problem first. Kailangan po nating maintindihan yung problema. Find out what is asked, list down the given, and identify the formula to be used. And of course, use calculator for faster solution. Huwag po tayong magpakahiro kasi mahirap po ito kapag kinamay lang po natin yung pag-solve. Malaki po ang tulong ni calculator for this topic. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope na marami po tayong natutunan for this video lesson. And that's it for this week's video log. Stay tuned for our next video lesson about compound interest. See you soon. Bye.